Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, December the 12th. The time is around 5:30 a.m. GMT. Today we will be looking at the chart of Tesla. This is a 60 minutes chart. We can see right here this decline to this 327 is labeled as a wave 4. Okay. And from there we can see a nice impulsive rally. We got a wave 1 as a diagonal, leading diagonal 1 2 3 4 5. We got a wave 2 as an APC. Then from there we got a wave 3, and we can see a clear separation and extension within the wave 3, the most powerful wave. If we project it, it is way more than the 161.8% Fibonacci extension. So that is in a way confirming the idea that we are in the wave 3. And you can see very nice subdivision here as well. 1 2 3 4. Now we are in the wave 5 of 3 in Tesla. Okay, so what we like to see here is for the stock to continue to see further upside to finish a 5 waves up from here. Now after we finish the 5 waves up, that should end the wave 3 in black, followed by another leg lower in the wave 4, then another leg higher in the wave 5 to finish a 5 waves up from this level here. Okay, and then from there we can get a bigger pullback to correct this entire 5 waves move here. Okay, so looking at the larger degree, this is a partial view. Again, if you do want to see the full view, the full count of different time frames, you can always try our service. We have 14 days free trial, and I put the link of the test in the description below. And here we got two levels that we want to focus on. First is the November 27, which is the 1 hour chart. This is November 27. So from here we can see, again, this is the 5 ways move that we are looking at earlier. But if you look at it from the August 24 low, you can also see another bigger 5 waves up. You got 1 2, and then a very strong rally here in the wave 3 here. Okay, and then this is your wave 4, followed by now within the wave 5. So there could be a couple of different alternates, right? Different alternates. Now one alternate that we can think about is that this instead of ending 1 2 3 4 in black, this could be your 1 2 3 4 in the red, meaning after one more push higher here, after this finish a 5 ways up, that could technically finish the the wave 5 in blue. Okay, that could finish the wave 5 in blue, and then we'll get a much bigger correction if it is ending with 5 in blue. So instead of just correcting the cycle here and higher again, we can do a bigger pullback. So that's one alternate that we can think about. But at least for now, our focus is in the short term. Okay, in the short term, it is looking incomplete, at least in the short term. If we are focusing it from here, from November 27, that looks incomplete, and that looks only a 3 swing or 3 waves so far. So we are looking for at least a few more high, at least one more high, right? For example, this could have ended 3 here, and we could be doing a double in the 4 like this, for example. That's possible. But even so, the structure suggests that most likely we at least will see one more push higher, if not 2 more high, before we end the 5 ways up from this November 27 low. Okay, so if you do like and enjoy this video, please like and subscribe our channel, and I'll see you all again tomorrow. Have a nice day, everyone.